I'm Lewis Wood. I'm currently doing a junior content producer apprenticeship, and I'm working for a social media marketing agency called Social Trinity. I would say an apprenticeship is an amazing way to learn, first of all. I mean, having been to university, there's kind of this stigma around apprenticeships that they're not as good as getting a degree. You know, that's just kind of a stigma that exists in the world. And I don't think it's true at all, because I think it just depends on how you want to learn. Like going to university, you know, you can get all the theory knowledge that you want, which is great, and you get it from people who, you know, are so knowledgeable and really good. But you don't get any of that on the job experience, which I think for so many jobs is so important, especially jobs in like marketing or like, you know, PR and things like that. Theory will only take you so far. You've got to just know how to, you know, talk to clients, how to manage like in the job relationships, and all that stuff comes part and parcel with working at a job. So an apprenticeship gives you a great way to do both of those things in a controlled, managed way, where people are supporting you and helping you, and you get the theory. And you know, it's just, as a whole round way to learn, I think it gives you much more than just the theory, which is basically what a degree is. So yeah.